sport mode, sport mode. Only joking. We bought it like this.
Right, you've just seen Dan having a lot of fun with the car. She's smashing up the bonnet. She's revving the life out of it. So I've had to take over. What we're going to do, I'm going to get a little walk around of the car, tell you the specs and show you the damage. As you can see, it's a 69 plate. It's only got 21,000 miles on. It's a facelift Fiat 500. Well, we just realised we called it a Fiat 500. I don't want to offend anybody, even though it is a Fiat 500. It's a 595 Abarth Trofeo. And it looks to us like someone's vandalised it, possibly with a bat or something like that. Yeah, so I'll show you that now. Starting off with the bonnet, as you can see, that's completely damaged. Danny Day really caused all that damage. We've got a damage in the bumper here. It's damaged, split there, so I'll probably try and staple that plastic weldy. Just broke the little grill, what goes in between, and the number plate. We're in, obviously, windscreen's completely demolished. We've got a dent in the A-post, and then we've got dents literally all around the car, but only small. There's one on the wing here. We've got 3 or 4 on the roof. We've got 1 on the door. The mirror's been smashed, and it's actually broke the middle to adjust the cover, so we've got to get a mirror. Moving around to the quarter, we got 1 on the top of the post there. Damaged spoiler. And then there's nothing round the back end apart from the rear light. They've broke the rear light. So I'm going to take that out shortly, get the part number off of that and try and source one of them, because a new one is quite expensive. We've already quoted that up. I don't think there's any dents on this quarter. And I think there is a little dent on this door. There, yeah, there. A little dent on the door and just the mirror cover here. Where, for me, the worst of the damage is this A-post. This A-post has got quite a bit of damage on. It looks like where the batch is, it's sort of pushed it in. So I'm going to get Carly, the windscreen bloke, to come and remove the screen so we can tackle that A-post. And then the new scuttle panel. Scuttle panel's broke. I'm also going to get Tim Hughes, dent bloke, because I don't want all the car painted, and I reckon he'll do 90% of them dents around the car without any paintless dent removal. So he's going to come and tackle that. I've just got to drop the roof lining for him to do that, so he can sort the roof out and the rest of them. So hopefully it'll be just front bumper painted and up the 2 A-posts. I've got a bonnet in colour. We've already sourced that, and that's here. So next up, I'm going to pull off the bonnet. We'll drop the new bonnet on, and we'll get the part numbers off that rear light. Let's show you inside. Right, inside we've got these really nice seats. Don't know what material that is, but on the back they're all Alcantara, and down the sides really clean inside, to be honest. It looks brand new still. Right, dashboard, steering wheel, being an Abarth, it's got their logo in the middle of the airbag. Nice flat bottom steering wheel, leather with a centre line. Not sure if it's a facelift thing, but it's got a nice screen in the middle here, quite big as well, fully loaded with sat nav and everything. We've got a little boost gauge there, and we'll just put the ignition on, show you that. It's got this cool little feature when you put the ignition on, a picture of an Abarth and a garage, which is pretty funky. So yeah, like I say, it's got the DAB, it's got sat nav, trip computer, you name it, all through that little screen. Blacked out headliner, black pillars. Yeah, it's pretty all singing, all dancing in here for a little Fiat Abarth. Yeah, we'll swap off the bonnet now and have a look around and underneath. You'd think they'd put a gas strut on that, wouldn't you, being an Abarth? What we got? 410 mils. You want to get that side done?
No, do you?
You got to finish off just that one bit of nut. Use up. Try not to lose the nut, I see. Yep. Go on, I got it. Do you want to quickly show them the engine while we got the bonnet up? Not like that, you div. Fills the bay, doesn't it, for a little 1.4. Looks nice. Ready? Little test fit, and then we'll join the see if we can line it up. Want a little bit more, all the hinges are slightly bent over. Where most of the damage was that side. Right, you see me there adjusting it after me and Danny put it on. Trying to get that end over more. It was overhanging a bit this end, so just a bit of tweaking, a bit of pushing and pulling. Yeah, it's lining up straight, to be honest. Colour match looks bang on. It has got a little dent in here, so when Tim does the rest of the car, see if you can do something with this little dent there rather than just painting the bonnet, and then just try and mop some of these little marks out of it which are on it. Try and save having the bonnet painted. Nice and easy to get out, really. So yeah, let's get some part numbers off this and we'll get one ordered. And I'll get soaked in the process. Right, we just put an offer in on eBay on a light. It's got a grey insert. I didn't realise that it was coloured inside the light. And it's blue. I don't know if that comes out or if that's how that one painted. So yeah, see if we get it. Pop this one back in for now. Right, we're going to start the car up and do a little sound check. I've already had it running, so it is warm. We'll do a little rev with it standard, and then we'll flip the sport mode and we'll show you what it sounds like then. It sounds wicked. Right, so that company on eBay, Breakers, accepted our offer, as you've seen us make an offer last time. So yeah, that light's here now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop this light in and then try and change this grey piece in the middle. I have actually just removed the blue piece out of the old light, but I broke that one, even though it was all bossed. So hopefully I can get that one out with a bit of heat, a bit of double-sided tape, that's all it was. Change it over. So just a couple of screws. We'll pop that out. Just like that. Shit's full of water. So just like that. Should have been easier. That's one out. I think we'll do it while it's on the car. So we'll put this one back in and then warm it up. Just a little black tab, so the odds part is getting that little grey tab out. Then you press it down. Get them rubber bungs in, and then just 2 10mm. So I'm going to warm that middle bit up with the heat gun. So yeah, just going to get it nice and warm. Get the double-sided tape soft, and hopefully we can just get this rubber blade behind it. See, it comes knackered, man. Got no gap, to be honest. This one a bit thinner. Just put that behind it and try and stop us cracking the light. He's coming.
Better than the last one.
And it's out. So we'll just clean the old tape up. New double-sided tape on the blueberry. And we'll pop that on. So yeah, just clean the light up. So I'm going to pop a couple of strips of double-sided tape on the back of this new colour insert, or whatever you want to call it, and just pop it back in. Just put a little one up there. See.
A few moments later.
Couple of you there. Right, 10 hours later, we've got the tape ready to go on. There's a couple of little locating deals. Job done. Brand new second hand.
Okay, so I'm just going to come and give this a quick clean. We've got the dent man coming and the window screen man to replace the window screen, but it is covered in glass. So I'm just going to quickly get it tidy. Not perfect, but at least it's not full of glass for when they come. Yeah, let's do that now.
Right, what I'm going to do now, I've got to pull the roof lining down to allow the dent bloke to get to all the dents on the roof from the inside if he needs to use his rods or whatnot. So I'm going to do that now because we've got the window bloke coming tomorrow. I'm going to pull the screen out, and then Tim's coming Friday. It's currently Wednesday, so yeah, I'm going to pull this roof liner out. Also apologise if this bit of video ain't really good. It's pitch black in here. I'm trying to use the phone camera because the pocket camera is way too dark. So yeah, we're going to see how it goes on the phone. Right, we've got Carly here, taking the windscreen out. He's shy, he don't want to be on the camera, so we'll just show you some clips of it actually coming out and not get his face. Right guys, that's the windscreen out as you just seen. Danielle's given it a good hoover because there's glass absolutely everywhere. Down in the scuttle area, inside the car, all along the dash. It made a right mess. So Danny just hoovered all that out. Next up we're going to get it in the garage, ready for Tim to come and work his magic on some of the dents, and then we'll start on the bumper and the damage on the A-posts and stuff. But that's going to be the end of today's video. So yeah, catch you in the next one as we start to rebuild it. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe,